New in from Hemline Gold this week. We've got restocked the Hemline Gold fabric clips. They come in a clear black and gold, so they're quite a stylish look if you don't like the multicoloured clips that are generally available on the market. And then we have this, which is like an ironing cutting board. It's A4 size. Just put it that way so you can see. It can fold out into up to an A3 size ironing surface. It's got spongy material under there, so you can iron blocks in that. On the inside, this side, it has sandpaper, so you can put your fabric down and trace out appliques, and it's quite grippy, so it won't move. And then on this side is a little A4 size cutting mat, and then you can store your blocks in here closed and flat. So that's quite a useful little item. These are now available on the website. Thank you.